Hello and welcome to the Library Research Process tutorial. My name is Sandra Pesce and I'm the Electronic Resource Librarian at San Diego City College. I'm going to take a few minutes and just show you this tutorial so you can get the most out of it. So let's get started. When I say library research, I'm talking about these 4 steps here. From developing your topic to citing the sources that you use to support it. It involves looking at other people's work and deciding on whether or not to use it to support your written work. For most of your schoolwork, that's going to require your use of the library for access, tools, and content. This could be the physical library or the virtual library. So here's the layout of the tutorial. You can see the major parts of what we're going to cover in the navigation bar on the left side of the page. If you're using a mobile device, this won't be a separate column. This will be stacked on top of just one long column for the page. So each page has a navigation section and content boxes. There are also buttons at the bottom if you want to navigate this way, or you can use the navigation buttons in the left column here. There's always a graphic at the top of the page that tells you where you are in the process, and it corresponds to the button on the navigation bar. Some of the content boxes have tabs. Be sure that you click on these because there is further information behind each of the tabs. Some of the content boxes have videos. Some of them have links that go to our glossary. So if you're not familiar with some of the terms, there is a glossary at the end of the tutorial. The Get Help page is where you can find assistance with your research. Research help is just a click away. This is probably the most important page on this tutorial. We have live chat 24/7 with a librarian. We have 30-minute Zoom appointments with librarians. You can email us a question. You can check our frequently asked questions page. Or you can look at our research guides, and there's even a textbook available if you want in-depth information on the research process. So that's how you get around the tutorial. If you have any questions, please do contact a librarian. Thank you for listening.